Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to transfer signal to new iPhone or new phone. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. The direct way to go ahead and do it is going to be using the Android to Android or iOS to iOS feature. What you need to do is simply go ahead and install the signal on your new Android phone and select transfer or reset or restore account, or do the same for iPhone as well. Then all you need to do is simply on your old phone, open your signal application. Then you want to go to your signal setting, which is going to be on inside of your profile on the top left. Once you've done so, you want to simply go to account, and then you want to simply go ahead and tap on transfer your account. It is as simple as that. Bring the phones close together and verify the 7-digit code match and tap on continue, which will simply go ahead and complete the process. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.